welcome to our channel, Chroma Kids Creation. Kids, today we are going to listen the story of Magical Garden. Once upon a time in the village, there lived a girl named Hannah. Hannah loved the nature and exploring the world so much. Hannah is very beautiful girl and very cute. She used to play with her animal friends and she always want to explore the jungle. She loves animal a lot. One day she decided to go jungle to explore something big. Here Hannah met an old man who gave her a pouch of special seeds. He said there were a magic in the seeds. Hannah became very excited for the seed. She always wanted to discover something big. When she came back home, she planted the seeds in her garden. Soon colorful flowers grew up with each special power, like care, love, kindness. The garden became very famous. People came from the far and wide to see it. Hannah used the magical flowers and seeds to help others and spread happiness and peace everywhere. She knew the seeds were a gift from the heart. So kids, the moral of the story is that kindness and love can create a magic. When we help others, then absolutely happiness comes back to us. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.